So, Street View it's called, huh? Yeah, I mean, how long can it take? What are we gonna do, 2 weeks?
Yeah, I guess.
Should be no problem.
I guess. I don't know. I'm just driving here.
This is really exciting. I don't know about you, Mark. When I was a kid, I made a map to a treasure
You sit
chest.
back, I can't see the rear view.
Driving on the highway, looking for Google Maps.
Look, you know what? I think I've had it with the singing.
Okay. Driving on the highway, thinking down there. Man, look at all that sand. You ever think about trying to count all the grains?
Might take almost as long as trying to photograph every street in America.
Oh man, that's deep. Bethesda, Maryland, this is where my mom lives. Oh, wait, this is my mom's street. Oh, Mike, right there on the right.
Nope,
that's my mom's
I'm not
house.
stopping.
Mom, that's
I'm
my
not
mom's
stopping.
house. Mike, that's my
We have a
mom's
responsibility.
outside. Oh, man. That was my mom.
Google.
Oh, man. Where are we? How long have I been asleep? What is this? Is this Atlanta? Seems pretty nice.
We're in Taiwan.
Where's Taiwan?
We get orders from Google. We have to do the whole Earth.
There's a lot of Asian people here.